Not only are we saving money for our emergency fund, but we are saving money for our 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. And in this savings challenge, I'm going to show you and help you to save money for your 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. It is a 52-week savings challenge, and it is working with small amounts of money. That way, if you have any emergencies, anything that would happen that can cause you to fall behind, you will have money to tap into. So stay tuned for this 52-week savings challenge where we're saving 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you would subscribe to this channel where you'll get great value. Click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge or in any of the other savings challenges, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yes, because I'm happy for you all that are participating in this savings challenges. Listen, you saving is going to help you. Me saving is going to help me. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, I have 7 savings challenge, and today's savings challenge is savings challenge number 5, which I do on Fridays. And this is my favorite savings challenge. This is the one that started all of them. I started with this, and then I came up with the other ones. And these savings challenges are geared to help those individuals that may be in this situation, and in this situation. Okay? To help individuals that are in these situations to save for emergencies. Okay? Now, this particular savings challenge, we're saving 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. So, what we're doing, we're taking small amounts of money like this. This is $125. We're saving this every Friday. So, we're stuffing this cash stuffing binder. Now, this is one that I made and created myself. We're stuffing it every Friday with $125. So what I did this time, I got 10s. Let me show you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And this is a 20, 120, and this is a 5, $125. Okay, so I usually get like a $100 bill, or a $20 bill, and a $5 bill, or sometimes I get some 50s or whatever. But the goal is to just save, because we never know when we're going to need it, okay? We don't want to be in a position where we have to run out and get this, okay? Or this. Or this. Or rack up a bunch of this, okay? We want to be ready and prepared. And saving 3 to 6 months of our living expenses can help us in case something like this happens. Okay? I'm not trying to speak these things or think this is going to happen, but it's nothing wrong with being prepared. Okay? We don't want to be in this position when emergency comes. Okay? Now, for this cash stuffing binder, the goal is to save $6,000 by the end of 2025. Now, I don't know if any of y'all watched this particular savings challenge last year in 2024. I saved $125 every Friday from the beginning of 2024 to the end, and I saved $6,000. And I thought, well, I'll do it again in case someone wants to follow me with this particular savings challenge. Now, I also, tell you all, don't put yourself in any bind. If that's too much for you, then do a lower amount. Do $50 every week or $125 every 2 weeks. However you can do it. You know your income, okay? And we just have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. Meaning, stop doing any unnecessary shopping, buying things we don't need, staying out of this. Live on less than what you make. If you only make $1,000 a month, I'm just saying, don't live on $1,500 a month, okay? Sit down, create a budget. Look at how much money is coming in, how much is going out. Make a list of everything that you're spending your money on and start eliminating things you don't need. And these are things that can help you. Go to the grocery store, buy groceries instead of eating out all the time, meal prep. These are things that can help you save money. And then when you have some, emergency or whatever, you'll have money to tap into. The way things are going, we don't know how things are going to happen. And there's nothing wrong with having money. Sometimes people think that it's normal to be broke. No, it's not. And I realize that the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency. That's another reason why I came up with these savings challenges, to show you that no matter what your income is, I have 7 savings challenges to help you start saving money. And like I said, this one is geared towards our 3 to 6 months of our expenses. This is the biggest one. And like I said, we're saving $6,000, okay? Every Friday. And another thing that will help you, if you come out of this. Now, if you're in this situation, or this situation, you really need to come out of this, okay? And this, okay? All right. Now, this is my cash stuffing binder that I built. I created myself. You don't have to do this. I bought this notebook out of Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree also had these pencil pockets that I added to it. And I had to go to Walmart and get these longer fasteners because it wouldn't hold all these pencil pockets. But you don't have to do that. You can go on Amazon, Temu, what is the other one? Temu, TikTok. And you can buy cash stuffing binders, and they sell them with, you can get one for that will save $3,000, $5,000, $6,000, and $10,000. And you can do that. Those have the clear sleeves where you fold the money and stuff them in. And the reason why I came up with this is because I wanted something that was out of sight, out of mind. So you can't see the money in these, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. I don't really count this money. I just show you all the money that I have stuffed this with. And this here is all the $100 bills that I've stuffed for the beginning of January 2025. Okay, and I'm not adding any hundreds today. These are the 50s. I don't know if you all can really see those. See that? Okay? Not adding any 50 today. These are the $20 bills. Okay? And I'm adding a 20. See, I'm adding this 20 to it. Okay? Then this pocket holds the 10s. Okay? And I'm adding these these $10 bills, which was $100. Okay? All right. And this pocket holds the $5 bills. See that? And I'm adding this 5. Okay. All right. Okay, and this pocket holds the $1 bills. And I'm not adding any ones today. All right, so see how I've been doing this savings challenge since the beginning of January 2025. And let me go ahead and tell you how much is here. Okay, so last week, so today is Friday, April 18th, and this is our cash stuffing binder savings challenge, and we're adding $125. Now last week the total was $1,875. So today this makes $2,000. Wow. So you see how it is adding up when we're patient, consistent, and disciplined. Okay, so that's all you have to do is watch your spending, and you can save money for your 3 to 6 months of your expenses. And like I'm sure $6,000 may not cover your expenses, but this is just something to help you get started, to get you in the habit of saving. Okay, because there are a lot of people going to work every day, no matter what they do, no matter how they're making their money, and they're not saving. The last thing on their mind is saving. I gotta pay this, I gotta pay that, I gotta pay this, I gotta pay that, I gotta do this, yeah. And you gotta save. Yes, you do. Okay, all right. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value in this video. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or if you're doing any of the other savings challenges. Okay, you all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.